It's important for us, maybe with that we start with define this name, Mhleli. Mhleli is a name that does not belong to anyone. It's a name that belongs to society. If you ask me what is the surname of Mhleli, I can't say it's Sithole, because if you go to Sithole, it's Thulani. So this name belongs to a society and developed out of playing soccer, out of interest in people loving what you do, and the team that you played for. Remember, the team is got opposition, so that opposition and the team for supporters of the other teams, your supporters, all of them together form the society that owns this name called Mhleli. So when we founded this foundation, originally, my thought was that I would give it my late mother's name. But then I thought my mother belongs to a family, so I'll just be resuscitating the wounds, emotional wounds. So in that sense, I deserted or I left that concept to Mhleli because Mhleli belongs to society. The purpose of the foundation mainly is to make sure that as children of Africa, as a child of Africa, these kids that grow up in this environment are able to stand on par with all other kids coming from other disadvantaged background, so that in the future they can stand tall and be on par. How we're going to do that? That's why we use sport. Why sport for education? Is because this sport for education, for us, it means the sports that people are engaged in requires something in order to win. The sport requires tenacity, the sport requires resilience, focus, discipline. So all those traits that are developed in sports are the same traits that you need in order to win in education and life generally. So let's use a sport which is sort of an entry point for you to develop character traits to win in life, character traits to win in education. And we use soccer as an entry point and netball, because if you go to any black township, soccer is like a culture. You can speak about cricket and people will ask about rules, you can speak about maybe volleyball and people will start asking questions. But if you speak soccer, no one will be confused. So that is an entry point. Although we go to all other courses because they also develop traits, but that was an entry point for us, so that at the end of the day, we have children of Africa that are able to stand tall and be able to advance in education, advance in life generally, face the world, represent South Africa with pride. That is our mission as Mhleli Foundation.